Welcome to Lesson 10 about your first 7 days with ChatGPT in agriculture. And the goal of this lesson is to give you an immediate action plan. Start small, not grand. The best way to begin is not with a giant AI transformation project. It is with 1 or 2 small tasks where ChatGPT can save time this week. Let's start with the day 1. Pick one real task. Please choose one genuine task from your own work, a field checklist, a staff instruction, a supplier email, a customer explanation, or meeting notes. Real work produces better learning than artificial examples. Day 2. Rewrite the prompt with context. Take your first prompt and improve it. Add role, context, goal, constraints, and format. Compare the output and the original version. This alone will teach you a lot. Day 3. Turn one messy note into a clearer output. So you can practice yourself. Paste rough notes into ChatGPT and ask it to produce a clean report, checklist, or summary. This is one of the fastest ways to feel the practical value of the tool. Day 4. Try one comparison prompt. Ask ChatGPT to compare 2 or 3 approaches, technologies, or response options. This helps you to see how useful it can be for structured thinking and decision framing. Day 5. Ask it to simplify something technical. So please take a technical concept from your work and ask ChatGPT to explain it for a farmer, student, or new staff. This is excellent practice for communication and teaching. Day 6. Test a verification prompt. Ask ChatGPT or any AI assistant, what assumptions are you making? Or, for example, you can ask, what should I verify before using this? This will help you build a safer and more mature workflow. Day 7. Build your own prompt library. This is a very practical step for almost experts. Save the prompts that worked well. Create a small personal library of planning, agronomy, operations, communications, and reporting prompts. Over time, this becomes much more valuable than starting from scratch each time. And the final encouragement. You do not need to become an AI expert to benefit from ChatGPT in agriculture. You only need to start with real tasks, good prompts, and a habit of verification. Used well, it can save time, improve clarity, and make everyday work easier. Thank you so much for taking this course. If this training was useful, continue experimenting with the prompts, adapt them to your own context, and build your own workflow. The real benefit of ChatGPT in agriculture comes not from hype, but from practical daily use. ChatGPT will not replace farming knowledge, field observation, or sound professional judgment, but it can be a very useful assistant for structuring tasks, drafting documents, simplifying communication, and exploring ideas faster. The best way to start is small. Choose one real task from your own work. Write a better prompt and improve it step by step. That is where practical value begins.